Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, I am finally back with the recordings.
And I am back.
Though I don't know how consistent I will be, but I will try my best guys. I will try my best. So yeah, in this video, now I know a lot of things have released and I've missed out a lot of, trailers probably and the reviews, but for this video particularly, I wanted to react to the latest trailer drop of a highly anticipated film. This is Kalki 2898 AD, the official trailer. So obviously we have the trailer in different languages. I'm going to be reacting to the Telugu one, and yeah, we have been waiting for this trailer for very long. The glimpses look great, and the marketing around the film has been also amazing. There's a lot of hype, lot of positive hype, not negative hype, lot of positive hype. So I really am eager to see how the trailer are. Now I know a lot of views are out. For what I have heard now, because I've categorically avoided seeing any reviews of the trailer, but what the general discourse is, that's what I have known, is that there's mixed review for the trailer, which is interesting. So yeah, anyway, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch the official trailer for Kalki right away.
ఈ భూమి మీద మొదటి నగరం,
ఈ వరల్డ్ లో చివరి నగరం కాశీ.
ఓకే,
పైన నీళ్లుంటాయంట.
ఓ,
భూమిని మొత్తం పీల్చేస్తే అన్ని అక్కడే ఉంటాయి. ఈ లోకంలో ఉన్నది కాంప్లెక్స్ ఒకటే, దేవుడు ఒక్కడే, సుప్రీం యాస్కిన్.
నీలాంటోడు ఎంత మందిని రక్షించొచ్చో తెలుసా?
నేను రక్షించాల్సిందే ఒక్కడిని.
6000 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం కనిపించింది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఆ పవర్ వచ్చిందంటే ఇక వెలుగు వచ్చే సమయం అయింది.
ఓకే, she's pregnant.
నువ్విప్పుడు కనపోయేది మామూలు ప్రాణం కాదమ్మా, సృష్టిని నేను కాపాడుతా.
ఓకే,
దీన్ని ఎలాగైనా ఆపి తీరాలి.
పొద్దున్నే ఫైట్ అండ్ బుజ్జి.
I like Bujji a lot. The car.
మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ లో ఉన్నామంట.
1 మిలియన్ యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయని దగ్గర
ఏమీ లేవు.
నాలాంటి ఎంత మందికి నువ్వు అక్కడ హీరో తెలుసా? నాతో రా.
యూనిట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఇస్తారా?
అబద్ధం. నీకు జస్ట్ నువ్వంటేనే ఇష్టం భైరవా.
ప్రపంచంలో ఒకటే ఒక సైడ్, నీ సైడ్.
భైరవా 5 స్టార్ బౌంటీ. లెట్స్ గో.
హై.
Oh, he's her too.
నాకు ఆ అమ్మాయి కావాలి.
పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే నేను ఒక్కడనే ఆ అమ్మాయిని తీసుకురాగలను.
అంత ష్యూరా?
రికార్డ్స్ చూసుకో, ఇంతవరకు ఒక్క ఫైట్ కూడా ఓడిపోలేదు.
మీ యుద్ధం మళ్ళీ మొదలైనట్టుంది.
ఇది కూడా ఓడిపోను.
This is interesting. Oh, I like that shot. Oh, nice.
ఇంకా తొలి ఊపిరి కూడా తీసుకొని ఈ బిడ్డ కోసం ఇంకెంత మంది చనిపోవాలి?
భయపడకు, మరో ప్రపంచం వస్తుంది.
Oh, I wanna watch this trailer again. Actually, I wanna watch this trailer again because there's a lot of. I'll tell you why. Because now I'll pause while watching it for the second time, because I feel that there's a lot of information that they've given, and once again, I think we kind of know the storyline. Maybe there's more to it, but the basic premise is what we sort of know, is that Deepika's character, she's pregnant. The child is very, very important. And Ashwathama is going to protect her. It's very interesting. It'll be very interesting to see how he gets his money back, how they kind of incorporate that storyline. And then you have Prabhas's character, who is kind of like a bounty hunter. He's not a bad guy per se, but I think he only cares about his units, the money, basically, the exchange amount. And he works, he's just like, you pay me my units and I'm just gonna work as per that. But then he gets a conscience, and then he kind of fights with Amitabh Bachchan, is what I feel is going to be the story. And I feel also very interesting that they did not show Kamal Hassan. We only got the last dialogue by him and that's it. Or did I miss it in the trailer? I'll watch it again. But I feel that's the only, like, in the end when he has that dialogue, that's the only glimpse of Kamal Hassan we see. Let's watch the trailer again. And I feel there's a lot of information, but visuals look spectacular. Let me know why the mixed reviews. Is it because they gave out too much in the trailer? Is that the reason?
ఈ భూమి మీద మొదటి నగరం
Last standing city, Kashi. I like the contrast. I like the contrast here. This shot, it does look like, to my eyes, and I am someone who has no knowledge of CG or anything. It's just like a layman thing. This shot particularly looks that it is like computer generated. And obviously we have the dystopian era, the scarcity of resources. The richest. It's like kind of like, I don't want to say Hunger Games, but maybe in a way. But obviously there's no game or anything, just for the fight for the resources, because Capital had all the resources and they just, created the Hunger Games for their own amusement. But here obviously we see that I think only a very small percentage of people have access to the resources, and everybody else, like the common folk, they are sort of like, they're completely suffering. This looks great.
మొత్తం పీల్ చేస్తే అన్నీ అక్కడే ఉంటాయి.
Like, this looks amazing.
ఈ లోకంలో ఉన్నది కాంప్లెక్స్ ఒకటే, దేవుడు ఒక్కడే,
The Supreme Yaskin.
నీలాంటోడు ఎంత మందిని రక్షించొచ్చో తెలుసా?
నేను రక్షించాల్సిందే.
That I'm here to save.
6000 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం కనిపించింది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఆ పవర్ వచ్చిందంటే ఇక వెలుగు
Yeah,
వచ్చే
the
సమయం.
hope is here. That's Deepika's child.
ప్రాణంలో ఇంకో ప్రాణం.
Oh, this is his shot, like his younger self. Oh, this looks great, guys. So I feel the only issue that I have, quote unquote, it's the way the trailer is kind of edited. I feel that they did give out too much, but also the way the scenes have been put together, it's not free flowing in a sense. But yeah, the visuals look great. But I feel there's just too much information that we have been given.
నువ్విప్పుడు కనపోయేది మామూలు ప్రాణం కాదమ్మా, సృష్టిని
I will say
నేను
yes.
కాపాడుతా.
దీన్ని ఎలాగైనా ఆపి తీరాలి.
So I feel that now Bhairava, which is Prabhas's character, he doesn't care. Like, you can see that he has this very casual attitude towards everything. He said that anyway, we don't have resources, and he is the kind of person who's like, look, we have scarcity of resources. We are the common folk. So I have devised a way to kind of survive, which is, I'm going to work. If somebody gives me money to do a certain task, I'm going to do it, and that's it. I don't care what are the consequences. But then later, obviously, he gets that conscience.
ఎంత మంచి కల్లో ఉన్నాను తెలుసా? మన కాంప్లెక్స్ లో ఉన్నవాడు.
We were inside the
1
complex.
million యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయని దగ్గర
ఏమీ లేవు.
He
doesn't have.
అలాంటి ఎంత
So yeah.
హీరో తెలుసా? నాతో రా.
యూనిట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఇస్తారా?
అబద్ధం. నీకు జస్ట్ నువ్వంటేనే ఇష్టం భైరవా.
Yeah. See?
ప్రపంచంలో ఒకటే ఒక సైడ్.
So we know his character also, in a way, how he thinks. He pretty much he just wants to survive. Yeah, one can say selfish, but then again, it's a dystopian world. Like, what are you gonna do?
నీ సైడ్.
భైరవ 5-star bounty. Let's go.
Bounty alert.
హై.
Yeah.
నాకు ఆ అమ్మాయి కావాలి.
పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే నేను ఒక్కడనే ఆ అమ్మాయిని తీసుకురాగలను.
అంత ష్యూరా?
He has a great track record.
ఇంతవరకు ఒక్క ఫైట్ కూడా ఓడిపోలేదు.
మీ యుద్ధ యుద్ధం మళ్ళీ మొదలైనట్టుంది.
ఇది కూడా ఓడిపోను.
See, all these visuals are from this point. I really loved all the visuals. Look at that. Amazing. I loved all the visuals from that point.
ఇంకా తొలి ఊపిరి కూడా తీసుకొని ఈ బిడ్డ కోసం ఇంకెంత మంది చనిపోవాలి?
మరో ప్రపంచం వస్తుంది.
Dude, he's also unrecognizable. Oh my god.
భయపడకు, మరో ప్రపంచం వస్తుంది.
Oh my god. Well, in Nag Ashwin I trust, and I don't know if I'll be able to catch this film with all the stuff that's been going on currently in my life. I loved it. I did not think that it's a bad trailer. I think a lot of information was given out, like I said before, but visuals, storyline, and everything. One might think it's a very simple storyline. Okay, there's a bounty hunter, this and that, and then in the end, he saves the day. On the surface, in the broader term, yes, but I still feel that there's still a lot more into it, considering every character is so significant here, and what their origin story is like, and how this dystopian world came to be, and just tying up stuff from our own culture in this modern dystopian era. It's going to be very, very interesting to watch. So yeah, and the visuals look really stunning. Yes, the flow of events and how it's edited, yeah, maybe there might be some people that think that, even I felt when I watched it the first time, like this is too much going on, but when I again watched it now, like the visuals were I was able to take in the visuals much more better, and it was registering in my brain in a much more clarified way. Yeah, that's how I should put it, maybe. But I loved it. I really, really am looking forward to the film, and I really hope I can catch it, guys. I really, really hope I can catch it. But you guys let me know, what did you think? What did you think of this trailer? And also, I also want to ask you, I think when it comes to a dystopian world, we always visualize it with this sepia-ish, yellowish tone, color palette, right? And it's the same here also. So do you think that they could have done something different, or do you think that no, this is how it's supposed to be? Because we are really used to seeing this color palette when it comes to a different world, or maybe Nag Ashwin could have thought something else. This is just a thought which came in my mind when I was watching the trailer for the second time. So yeah, anyway, but you guys let me know. I'm waiting for this film, and hopefully I'll be able to catch it. But those were my thoughts, guys, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.